Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, Crazy Cat Artist here. This time I'm doing two kitties cuddling together. Just get those heads in there first. Just feeling my way around. Making corrections as I go, as always. And I am going 2.5 times the speed here and voicing over. Just a rough map of the kitties for now. And then I'll start darkening up some of the lines that work. Step by step. Just really feeling my way through it. Kind of measuring with my eyes, trusting my gut, trusting that intuition. Does this look right? If it doesn't, then I just got to decide what's wrong and correct it. And these lines will help me place the eyes in there, in the right places. What do you want to learn about cat drawing? I love to hear from you. Let me know what you want to learn about cat drawing, what kind of poses you'd like to learn. Drop me a comment or just tell me about yourself or your cat or where you live in the world. Help build this wonderful community of crazy cat artists. And give us a like and a subscribe while you're at it. You see, as I darken up the lines I've chosen, the other extra lines just fade away into background tone. And the learning from these quick little gesture sketches is just phenomenal. Cute little tongue. Just suggestions of things like bits of hair and toe lines and stuff that's kind of part of a gesture drawing. We don't worry about a lot of intricate details, just the gesture, the feeling of those two cats. Less is more. We're going to speed up here right away to 4 times the speed and finish this drawing up. Suggestions of tabby marks here and there. They help shape the contour of the kitty. And they also fill up those empty spaces that the eye tends to be drawn to. You kind of want to plan your lines so they lead the eye around the drawing. I don't know why it's moving like that. Obviously my camera wasn't moving. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.